Out here, we got a couple of these motherfuckers. Shit, we got the vintage Reptars. What y'all know about that? All day. Alright, flippers, we got a Lisa Frank right here. Remember that vintage 90s stuff I told y'all about, them Trapper Keepers. And we got a planner right here. Might be one of them MEAD whatever's. I don't know, I gotta look at it. But it's from the Disney store. Alright, so I got in town at probably like 11 o'clock yesterday, and this neighborhood that I like to go to, they had their actual neighborhood yard sale that they have every year out in Spring Valley. And I actually didn't even know it. I was driving down the road and saw a sign that said yard sale turned in. Turns out I found it out. But long story short, I got there with probably about 30 minutes left, so I didn't really get much, but I came across these. I paid $1 for basically all of them. She charged me $1 for everything. So these are actually horror VHSs. I didn't even look them up, but this one right here had a sale for, I think, $40, and these are selling for like in the 20s. So, I mean, it's like about $70, $80 all off of $1. And that's just going to a yard sale with about 30 minutes left, basically getting the scraps. All right, we at this Goodwill that always bring me good shoes. We got some phone projects here, people. Y'all see it, pre-owned, $60 at least, trap all day. I'm just leaving Walmart right now. I had to stop and get a copy of Halo 5 because I sold one on eBay and I thought I had one in stock, but I actually oversold, so we got that. Plus they had this Dragon Quest game. Yeah, Dragon Quest 5, whatever. Was $9, so I got 3 copies of that, but I got to get to the post office. I got like 30 minutes. With that Charlotte traffic, you can't tell, but you already know Flippin' World, Stretch a Gang, Clark Cartel. I'm still married to the Grams, trap all day. But I'm up here riding around, about to bag up some Halo 5 to ship off. Know what I'm saying? Drop this little package off, get back to the trap. These are Dragon Quests we just popped on. We got 3 copies of this. So I ain't even scan this to see what it's selling for. Let's actually scan it. It's probably a flop. I just ain't bought no video games in a couple days or a couple weeks on clearance. I just ain't bought no video games for a couple weeks on clearance, so I was about ready to pop on anything. Okay, brand new, $24.99. So we did good on that out of $9. Pre-owned, it's going for more pre-owned than what we paid, so you can make a little profit off that. Trap all day. It looks like somebody bought the red bottoms back. They dropped the price to $74. They wasn't here the other day. They were $139, but I guess the people bought them back. We got some CB4s. I might scan those, but let's see what else they got. Trap all day. Got in the showcase, people look like some J's. And yes, they are. Let's check out these. And they got the box too. About to look at these J's. Yeah, what are they, 24? Yeah, let me go ahead and get those. Look at these prices though for these shoes we just got. 41 bids, the retro breads, 2012, that's what these are. $234, 41 bids. I forgot to get a camera shot of me. You know I'm looking fresh today, but let's see what we can find up in this Goodwill trap all day. Got that Space Invaders. I'm gonna have to add this to my collection. $5. I just gotta add it to the collection. Plug and play. Big boy bobblehead. I think that's Funko. That was the first Funko bobblehead ever made. Wacky Wobbler. And that's a piggy bank big boy. That's an eating restaurant out on the West Coast. Well, we got some medieval time cups here, people. There's a little restaurant down in Florida. There might be other places too, but people fight on horses and you eat chicken and stuff like that, like people in the old times. All right, people, we got here the original alligator cookie jar. $4.99. We got sales $44 plus $12 shipping. So we about to cop this, trap all day. Yeah, this Goodwill, you kind of just got to sit out and wait for stuff to come out. Out of another Goodwill, we about to hit up some more Goodwill. We got a couple products. I think I'm about to hit the grid up, see what I can find, but you already know, Flipper Well, Stretcher Gang, Cart Cartel, Trap. I broke my wrist off with that tape gun.
We living all this flipper talk, we ain't got a job. Retail arbitrage, if it profit, then we cop. Drop, ship a pack, never touch it like a boss. Battery on 10%, I'm trapping out the Ross. You can't be a flipper if you never took a loss. I done seen so many that the shit'll make you nauseous. Flipper.